So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last week I was unable to upload any video because I was fasting on that day. It's Ekadashi fasting I had done on Sunday. So due to that I'm unable to upload video on that day. So today I'm back with a video on what are the astrological checkpoints before making any finance or investment decisions. Okay, so many of us will plan for investment of ideal funds. So whatever the ideal funds or savings funds we have, we will not like to keep it ideal, right? Because money should create money. Then only we will be able to survive in this competitive world. Okay, so we will think of various investment decisions, and whichever looks whichever suits to our requirement, we'll go for investing in that decision. Okay, it may be real estate, it may be in share market, it may be in any vehicle, or it may be in any business, or it may be in any kind of whatever the business opportunities you find in your circle. You will think of considering the different decisions based on availability of the funds you have, and based on different risk factors. You will take the investment decision, right? So today, within my experience, I have clients who lost so much of money because of their bad investment decisions. So with my limited experience, so I will share three astrological checkpoints. Okay, three astrological checkpoints which you need to check before making any financing or investment decision, along with a beautiful logic. Okay, so without logic I will never suggest anything to do. Along with remedies, I will say beautiful logic for what are the factors you need to consider, astrological checkpoints basically. So before making any investment or financial decisions. Okay, so firstly, let me say the logic. Okay, so what is the planet which is primarily responsible for finance? Okay, what is this person talking about? Is it Jupiter? No. Okay, Jupiter, in the one sense, it is a cardinal of prosperity in our lives. So it may be the prosperity may be due to your children, or due to your family, or due to your marriage, due to your spouse, or due to your circles, because Jupiter rules 2, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, so Jupiter is the ultimate cardinal of prosperity in our life. But I am asking one planet which is primarily responsible for finance. Yeah, it is Mercury and Venus. Okay, so in this material world, we can describe this material world as only two planets. Yes, they are Mercury and Venus, because we know what Mercury is. Mercury is ultimately finance, and Venus is opposite gender. Yes, 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 this materialistic world is revolving only around Mercury and Venus, because Mercury is finance and Venus is opposite gender. Take any person, they will any materialistic person basically. So they will their life will revolve, their primary focus of their life will be either money, that is Mercury, or either Venus, that is opposite gender. So this is what headless materialistic people are supposed to be like. So they think that revolving around these two things is itself is life. So zero inquisitiveness towards higher spiritual goal, and zero inquisitiveness towards God. So they can't understand the concept of God and spirituality. So that is another topic of discussion. So let us keep it aside. So the primary karaka of finance is Mercury, because to earn more money, you require more skill, right? So which is the planet which is primarily responsible for skill? It is Mercury. Yes, how much strong your Mercury is, that much skills you will have in your life. Okay, I will repeat it. How much strong your Mercury is, that much strong your skill set will be. Your ability to do the things, to plan the things, will be that much stronger. Okay, that is what I am taking the planet of money, the planet of finance, as Mercury. So the astrological checkpoints, so I am suggesting these three checkpoints. So before you are planning to invest or take any finance decisions, consider these three checkpoints, evaluate yourself on these three checkpoints. So because for taking small investment decisions or big investment decisions, you can't run to an astrologer, right? So there should be some own key points, checkpoints, which you can evaluate on yourself. So these are the three key points which I am going to share, uh, which you can evaluate on your own without asking anyone's advice, without asking running for astrologers or taking big consultations. Oh my god, nowadays astrologers are charging more than doctors and engineers or lawyers, whatever it may be. So and it is based on their respective knowledge. I'm not criticizing or anyone. So based on their respective knowledge and experience, they are charging. That is their they can charge, and they should charge also. Okay, so these are the three checkpoints. So before I am going to share this three checkpoints, it is my request. So please subscribe to my channel. It will be like a motivation for me. And at the end of the video, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want any suggestions for to give to me or my channel, you can directly message me in the comment. So please subscribe the channel now itself. So I'm going to share the three biggest astrological checkpoints before making the investment or finance decision, so that you people will not end up in loss. So that is my primary agenda. Because see, there are good times, there are bad times for everyone. So investment in good times will be profitable for one person, investment in bad times will be end up in loss for another person. So these three checkpoints will definitely help you, will definitely help you. And I am at the end, I will share the trick of how to what to say how to these how to use these techniques positively, these astrological checkpoints. I will share at the end of this video. So the first checkpoint is whether you are facing any skin diseases at the time of making investment decision or finance decision. Okay, why? Because mercury rules our skin. Okay, so if at all you are facing any skin problems, it means temporarily your mercury is weak. Okay, you are facing mercury related problems because mercury is temporarily weak in your chart or in your transits, whatever it may be. Okay, so uh, either reconsider your investment decision or postpone your investment decision. Okay, so if you are facing any skin issues, skin diseases at the time of making your investment or finance decisions, please don't implement your investment plan immediately. Just take a pause. Okay, first checkpoint. Okay, second checkpoint. So if you are facing any difficulty in breathing, because mercury rules our respiratory system, like our inhalation and exhalation is completely under the control of mercury. So if you are check whether if you are feeling easy breezy in breathing or you are feeling difficulty while breathing. So if you are facing any difficulty while breathing, it means temporarily mercury is causing certain problems in your birth chart or transit temporarily. So postpone or reconsider your investment decisions. This is checkpoint number 2. Okay, now the checkpoint number 3. So if you are facing any kind of dental issues, so because teeth and tongue are completely under the control of mercury. If you are facing any tooth or tooth decay problems, or you are undergoing any tooth transplantation because of bad or damaged tooth, so you should not implement your investment or financing decision plan immediately. You should take a pause, or you should reconsider it once again. You should reevaluate your investment or financing plan. So what is the solution? See, the solution is, if you are facing all these problems or any of these three problems, so I'm going to repeat the three problems. The first thing is skin issues, and the second thing is problem in your breathing, that is your inhalation and exhalation is not proper, and the third thing is the problem in your tooth. So if at all you are facing any of these three issues, first correct these issues. So go to a skin doctor, ensure that your skin disease is completely vanished after taking medication. And if you are facing breathing problem, consult an ENT doctor, explain your problem clearly, uh, get rid of this problem. It means that you are correcting you if you are correcting your breathing problem, it means indirectly you are correcting your mercury. Okay, you should always remember this. And if you are facing any tooth problem, so go to a dental doctor and take the respective treatment and medication. Solve all these three problems, ensure that you are not facing any kind of these three problems at the time of making your investment or finance decision. If at all you are facing, correct this, and it means you are correcting your mercury, and then make your investment or finance decision. It will be at least it will not have in giving you a loss, it will be successful for sure, because you are correcting your mercury. If you are correcting your mercury, definitely your financial what you say, So financial loss, the risk of your financial loss is greatly reduced when you correct your mercury. So so these things, you don't find any astrologer sharing these kind of things, because they will keep it as a uh, what we say, professional secret kind of thing. So they provide only to the clients who take consultation from them. So my agenda is that all the people who are who are investing their hard earned money in different investment plans, they uh, come across through, my only agenda is they should not end up in financial loss, because money is ultimately, money is money for everyone. So I thought that I should share these three techniques to everyone, so that they will ensure that these they have rectified these three checkpoints which I had shared. So thank you so much, guys. If you want a consultation from me regarding your correcting your mercury, or regarding correcting your venus, or rather any planet in your birth chart, I will provide my astrology consultation details in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That will be a motivation for me to make more and more videos, and definitely I will be coming up with great stuff in future, which you people will definitely like. So in order to not to miss that videos, subscribe to my channel. And God is there with you all the time. Just look at him and he will be there with you. Bye bye.